Greetings, I'm Otto the Metalkake.
I am Franz.
How nice of you to stop by. It's been a while, and we have lots of ground to cover, so let's get it. Oh yeah, let's get into all of this. First off, we have mail. From Mew in a Bucket. Check him out over on Instagram. He is my go-to guy when it comes to Japanese stuff nowadays.
Oh, he's
He's my dude.
He's your fence.
Instagram, Mew in a Bucket.
What's inside? Time to find out.
It's Pokémon Platinum. Remember how we got Pearl earlier?
I do.
Well, this is Platinum, so we can play together in Japanese.
As you do.
It's a good way to learn a new language. Playing Pokémon.
Yeah. They use Furigana, right? Or,
Yeah. They open up all the kanji, so
it's
makes sense.
impossible. Even for beginners, because it's a children's game.
What's more,
What's inside? Oh damn.
for the Mimikyu collection, we have alternate art Mimikyu from the Ichigeki Torengeki set. Single strike, multiple fists. But what's more important
is
we're gonna laugh about this.
Sabrina! She's finally come home.
Finally!
I need her.
And now,
I have her.
I wonder if he's gonna make a song about this.
next up, who's that Pokemon? It's Red Eyes Black Dragon. No, it's Umbreon. Check him out. I like to call him Lucifer. I mean, look at the gaze. It was a gift from the girlfriend. And speaking of gifts from the girlfriend, let's go through this. First off, a box of Alter Genesis. And we are gonna open it up someday together.
Ooh.
With you and Mox, and we are gonna get these guys.
Definitely 100%.
It's a Gen 4 nostalgia galore. Okay, how about this then? This is a Pokemon Center special exclusive box from back in the days when Miracle Twin was first announced or released in Japan. Now this special set has 2 booster boxes of Miracle Twin and a deck box and some sleeves featuring Lance and Dragonite, or Kairyu Tobataru. Lance, Dragonite.
As they are.
Lance, Dragonite. Here you can see we get a nice collection box. Miracle Twin, which we are definitely also going to open up together one day. Not today.
Someday.
Okay, last gift. Now this Agent Cog will definitely understand this one. We have Cynthia!
A wife.
Yes, also known as me. Check it out. My favorite champion ever. Cynthia. And her Garchomp. I'm dying to see what she looks actually like. So
When we take her apart.
let's do that now. Ruin this box. I'm such a geek.
Yeah, you are.
We need Mox here.
Recommended for ages 15 and up.
Well, I'm pretty much 15, so...
Almost.
Okay, let's see.
Let's see.
Zoom in a bit closer. Here we have
The assembly doesn't seem so hard in this one.
Cynthia. Long blonde hair, long black cape, jacket thingy. What a weird style,
True.
but still, Cynthia, the champion of Shino. And here we have her Garchomp coming out of the ground, so he's using dig, I guess. Let's assemble him, her, them. Next up, Candysan. We ordered up another Candysan box from Japan with snacks and stuff, as we did before. But somehow our package ended up in Russia.
Dobry dzieci, Piotr. To
And it was opened by Russian customs.
A, jest kartę Pokemona? O, jest.
But still, we did get some of our snacks.
Очень хорошо. Lokale Pokemon.
So let's see what we got.
Do widzenia.
First up, some strawberry chocolates, fruity berry from Lotte, Ghana.
What?
I don't know. Next up,
The power of.
a whole bunch of umeboshi flavored potato sticks, jagariko. And it has a giraffe with a kimono and an afro,
You know, as they do.
as they do in Japan. Cool. Anyways, what's more?
Umeboshi.
Speaking of umeboshi, we have actual umeboshi with no giraffe this time, and
And a bunch of sticks.
no,
Oh,
these
sticks?
are no. This is karashi. You know the mustard I like, kind of like wasabi, which we have here.
What a nerd.
You know this anime?
I might. It reminds me of something I need to do with Max though.
Hey Max, we have some stuff
You might want to see this.
from Kimetsu no Yaiba,
You know the thing you love?
Demon Slayer. It's pretty good.
Yeah, you should watch it.
Anyways, speaking of Kimetsu no Yaiba, one special thing we had in the Candysan box was their special Tanjiro package. Check it out.
One by one, here is a can of
Kimetsu Kohi. It's coffee in a small can.
Thick.
Next up, chocolate balls.
With added,
And what more? We get a booster pack of something. I'll do it later.
yeah,
Next up, some more Kimetsu no Yaiba snacks. These are,
look like crackers.
I guess they're crackers, but they look like, you know, instant noodle small nests.
Yeah.
Next up, let's stitch it. This is the thing. They're some sort of gummy candies filled with yogurt.
We'll find out. Gotcha, ball.
We have a gotcha ball. Was that it?
Yeah, that's it.
So gotcha is a vending machine where you get a ball of
Something.
ball of something. It's a gamble. They like gambling in Japan, even though it's legal. Let's open the gotcha, right?
Yeah, sure.
Or Nezuko.
That's good. It's the big game. Stack.
Now we have
Neither.
Shinobu. We have Shinobu waking up in her bed, ready for action to, you know, slaughter and stuff.
Yeah.
Cool! So, since we're here and all, let's open up some Pokémon cards. It's been a while. What do we have here on the menu today?
We have Mimikyu. Santa! It's Santa!
I really hope it's not Santa. Come on, let's go see.
Yeah.
Oh,
Hi, it was Gusse.
It's not Santa.
it's definitely not Santa, it's my mother. Oh,
Damn, we're
Anyways, let's open up this Mimikyu box. Time to hide under a totally perfect disguise, blah 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 blah. No, it's not Pikachu, it's Mimikyu.
okay. Let's go for it.
No, you are good at this.
For the children.
Children.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, here we have a exclusive Mimikyu promo with a creepy background.
It's mostly dark,
Yeah, for the Mimikyu collection,
like a domestic violence card.
as well as a dangler for any backpack of your choice. Or possibly an earring. Code card, Mimikyu, Psychic, whatever. Okay, booster rundown, we get Sun and Moon, BS, Breakthrough. Okay, I'll start with Sun and Moon, basic. Upside down code card, BS, zooming closer. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Yours is 3, by the way.
Okay.
Let's go. Lightning energy. A bird. An appliance. A cat. Whatever the hell that is. Her. Stuffwall. Walmart Pikachu. Pudim.
Okay.
Something.
Okay.
Spider. And we've not done it in a while. So.
It's true. So here's the
Third card. 3 cards.
3. 1, 2, 3. Let's go. We're starting with good spirit link.
Hunter.
Hunter.
Actually, nice hunter. Letter.
Sure. Okay. Okay.
Hey,
This
that's
one's fine.
That's cute as hell.
Okay.
Also,
Oh yeah.
Teddy Ursa.
I'm actually happy about this.
And
Okay.
a painting monkey.
Get out of here. Let's go for BS.
Let's see.
Or I can say it's DV.
Burning Shadows. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Let's get it. Lightning.
Counseling.
Rhydon, Spirit of Rhydon. The dude on fire. Olivia, not on fire. Broccoli. Blue. Charmander, about to die.
Weed.
Odd Radish. The guy from Sesame Street. My mother's favorite animal, a snake. Alola Ninetales. Actually a nice artwork.
That's true.
More Pokemon cards.
Next up.
Let's get it. We have the Suicune pin collection. See that? That's Steam Siege. Steam Siege.
So it's on.
Okay, first off, we got the pin of Suicune. Finally, we have Raikou and Suicune. All the legendary cats. Cats are the start with Steam Siege. Steam Siege. The most beautiful Gardevoir I know is in Steam Siege. Trust me, dude, someday Steam Siege will be expensive as all hell. Card 1, 2, 3. With an upside down drift blim. Mirror.
Okay.
Do what? Litleo, Sneasel, Yanma, Apom, Crap, Grogunk, and Weavile. So, nothing of value here.
So let's go.
Our luck is fantastic today, guys. Okay, Franz, come on. Leaf energy. Let's go. Let's go.
Vegan energy.
Vegan energy.
Yo, bad. Kukui. He's a real brother.
Yeah, he's sure.
Found Sweet. Bit Pop. Dratini. Wingull.
Stuffle.
Ooh, Masquerade. Which is kind of cool, but yeah, it's not my favorite. And a Lantern. Okay, let's go next. One last pack.
Last pack magic, but it's evolutions. Okay.
Oh yeah,
Evaluations. Here's your code for evaluations. 1, 2, 3.
I don't know.
Potion!
Oh yeah, nostalgic.
Maintenance!
Nostalgic.
Poliwhirl!
Oh, it's actually nostalgic.
No, wait. Where is Poliwhirl's mouth?
Let's not discuss this now.
I think it's, you know, right up here. He's going like...
I mean, there's bigger problems right now.
Anyway. Fairy energy, which was not a thing back then. Volt Orb. Pasta. Poliswag. Seal. Seal.
Oh,
Electabuzz.
I like it though.
And... look at a Mewtwo. Not a holo though. Still a Mewtwo.
Still with you.
Cool! Oh yeah, we had lots of fantastic stuff, snacks and Pokemon cards. Now, like the video, comment down below, maybe subscribe, and I will catch you in the next exciting...
I'm here. Sorry I'm late. Sorry. I was fighting evil spirits, so I couldn't come out there.
Evil spirits? Kinda like a demon slayer?
I eat your soul!
Demon!
Добрый вечер, Пётр.
Привет, Наташка.
Что это? Что это?
Esta Pokémon карта? Но! Но Pokémon карта! Но!
Пётр, это покемон. Пожалуйста, Пётр. До свидания.
Мне кажется,